Hi, this is the video project for Communication 110, and in this video you'll see two clips that I shot from my Canon DSLR camera using two lenses, 50mm and 1855mm respectively. So this video is closely related to the concept of sound and film, how sound is used to enhance the quality of footage and how to enhance the overall experience of the viewers. Basically, sound are of three categories in our syllabus. So the first one is diegetic sound. So diegetic sound is any sound that's coming from a source that is in the frame. So the audience can see the frame and see the sound coming from it. So as I'm speaking, and this is dialogue, and this is an example of diegetic sound because my lips are moving and audience will know that I'm speaking, so the sound is coming from my character. Coming on to second category, that is non-diegetic sound. In non-diegetic sound, the sound cannot logically be in part of the frame, or it cannot come from the frame. So these are types of sound that are used to enhance the overall experience of the scene. For example, if I take these stacks of cards and I take it out of the frame and drop it, so this would be an example of non-diegetic sound because it could not come from the frame. And coming on to the third part, that is internal diegetic sound. So internal diegetic sound would be something like characters' private thoughts, personal thoughts, which are not known to different characters in the movie but are made known to public. So when people think out loud in their thoughts, and in movies we tend to hear a reverb of a sound, and that would be an example of internal diegetic.